Hi, I'm Anton. Today is day 40 to 40 days of daily crypto installments. On February 19th, 2025, I passed a fairly busy restaurant known for its delicious reiwan, rice noodle soup. I parked my car and got out to buy reiwan rice. Suddenly, I remembered I hadn't paid my crypto installments that day. So, I went into the shop next door and bought reiwan flavored Indomie noodles to cook at home. To pay off my crypto installments, I exchanged the reiwan rice for reiwan flavored Indomie noodles. After that, I bought more 20,000 Bitcoin, 20,000 Ethereum, and 10,000 XRP. My reiwan cravings were satisfied, and the daily crypto installment program continued. Today's topic, and GT, what is Ethereum used for anyway? Ethereum is like a world computer. Not just for sending money, but also for running applications. For example, NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, digital games like Axie Infinity, lending platforms like Aave, digital voting, DAO, and all of these run on Ethereum as fuel. I haven't used the app myself, but I'm buying ETH in installments because I see the technology has a big future. A simple analogy: if Bitcoin is like digital gold, Ethereum is like digital electricity powering various systems. If you have anyone who's still confused about what Ethereum is for, share this video with them. See you on XRP tomorrow.